Hey, it's Lindsay with WTI. Are you looking for a really good sheet set? Look no further than the ones I have from HC Collection. I love these. Let me tell you why. I'm always on the lookout for a good sheet set, and these definitely delivered. One of my pet peeves is when you put on a fitted sheet and you have to sit so tightly on it because it just barely fits your mattress. That is not the case with these. Even after multiple washes, the fitted sheet fits perfectly. Because it's elastic the entire way around, it will provide a perfect fit for your mattress. We got them in king and they fit perfect. They also have other options for queen and twin, so whatever your size mattress is, you will find the right fit. I really think that these are high quality. No matter how much I washed them, they came out like brand new. They didn't shrink, they didn't fray, they were high quality every time. If you're looking for a sheet set that is durable, high quality, and is gonna last you for a long time, I highly recommend these ones from HC Collection. But that's just my point of view.